Hi guys, so for this video I'm using yarn in two different colors and the crochet hook in size 6 millimeters. So I'll start by making a slip knot. Now for this stitch we need to chain multiples of 6. So I will start by chaining 72. So now that I've chained 72, I'll make sure that my chain is not twisted. And this is our foundation chain. Now on the last chain from the hook, I'll make a slip stitch. And now I will chain 3. This is row 1. Now I'll skip the next 2 chains and through a third chain. I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll chain 3, then through that same chain I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll skip the next 2 chains and through a third chain I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll skip the next 2 chains and through a third chain I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll chain 3, then through that same chain I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll skip the next 2 chains and through a third chain I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll skip the next 2 chains and through a third chain I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll chain 3, then through that same chain I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll skip the next 2 chains and through a third chain I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll skip the next 2 chains and through a third chain I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll chain 3, then through the same chain I'll make 1 double crochet. So I'll repeat this throughout row 1. Now to finish row 1, right here through this third chain I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 1 and I'll cut this yarn. And this is row 1. Now for row 2 I'll use yarn in different color. Now right here through this 3 chain loop, through this V-stitch, I'll insert my hook, then insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. I will chain 3, then through that same loop I'll make 4 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we have a 3 chain at the beginning of the row plus 4 double crochet, and that gives us 5 double crochet in total. And now I'll chain 1, then through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 5 double crochet. I'll chain 1, 3 chain loop, I'll make 5 double crochet. Then through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 5 double crochet. So I'll repeat this throughout row 2. Now to finish row 2 I will chain 1, then right here through this third chain I'll make a slip stitch. Now I'll chain 1 and I'll cut this yarn. So this completes row 2. Now for row 3 I'll use yarn in different color. Then right here through this 1 chain loop I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. Now I will chain 6, then through the same loop I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll skip the next 2 chains and through this third chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Through this next 1 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet, chain 3, then through the same loop I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll skip the next 2 chains and through this 3rd chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Right here through this 1 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll chain 3, then through the same loop I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll skip the next 2 double crochet chains and through this 3rd chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Through this next 1 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll chain 3, then through the same loop I'll make 1 double crochet. So we repeat this throughout row 3. Now to finish row 3, right here through this 3rd chain I'll make a slip stitch. Now I'll chain 1 and I'll cut this yarn. And now for row 4 I'll use yarn in different color. Then right here through this 3 chain loop I insert my hook, then insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. Now I'll chain 3. So for row 4 we repeat in row 2. So right there through that loop I'll make 4 double crochet. So we have a 3 chain in the beginning of the row plus 4 double crochet, and that gives us 5 double crochets in total. Now I'll chain 1, then through his next 3 chain loop I'll make 5 double crochet. 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'll chain 1. Through his next 3 chain loop I'll make 5 double crochet. Chain 1. Through his next 3 chain loop I'll make 5 double crochet. Chain 1. Through his next 3 chain loop I'll make 5 double crochet. So I'll repeat this throughout row 4. So you see here now for the pattern we repeat rows 3 and 4. We repeat this until our work reaches 8 inches. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have 12 rows so far. Now for row 13, right here through this first double crochet chain I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. We'll see how this works now. Now chain 3, then through this next 3 double crochet chains I'll make 3 double crochet cluster. So 1, 2, and 3. I'll skip this next double crochet chain, and through these next 3 chains I'll make 3 double crochet cluster. Then I'll skip the next double crochet chain, and through these next 3 chains I'll make 3 double crochet cluster. I'll skip the double crochet chain, and through these next 3 double crochet chains I'll make 3 double crochet cluster. I'll skip the next double crochet chain, and through his next 3 double crochet chains I'll make 3 double crochet cluster. So I'll repeat this throughout row 13. Now to finish row 13, right here through this first double crochet cluster chain I'll make a slip stitch. Now I'll chain 1 and I'll cut this yarn. Now for row 14 I'll use yarn in different color. Then right here through this first double crochet cluster chain I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. I'll chain 1, then through that same chain I'll make 1/2 double crochet. Through this next half double crochet chain I'll make 1/2 double crochet. Through this next half double crochet chain I'll make 1/2 double crochet. Through this next chain I'll make 1/2 double crochet. So I'll continue making 1/2 double crochet chain. So I'll continue making 1/2 double crochet through each chain throughout row 14. Now to finish row 14, right here through this next half double crochet chain, I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 1, I'll leave a medium sized tail, and I'll cut this yarn. So now with the yarn needle, I will close this loop. Now around the headband area, I'll make a couple more rows. So right here through this first 2 chain loop, I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. Now I will chain 1, then through that same chain I'll make 1/2 double crochet. Now through that same 2 chain loop I'll make 1/2 double crochet. So you have 2 half double crochet right there. Through this next 2 chain loop I'll make 2 half double crochet. Through this next 2 chain loop I'll make 2 half double crochet. Through this next 2 chain loop I'll make 2 half double crochet. Through the next 2 chain loop I'll make 2 half double crochet. And we'll see if we can make 2 rows or just 1. Through this next 2 chain loop I'll make 2 half double crochet. Through this next 2 chain loop 2 half double crochet. So continue making 2 half double crochet through all of these 2 chain loops. So continue making 2 half double crochets through each of these 2 chain loops. Yeah, I think 1 row should be enough. So now that I'm at the end of this row, before I join this, I'm just going to leave a long tail. I'm going to cut this yarn and now with the yarn needle I'll join these 2 ends together. If you don't want to do this process, you can definitely just join it with a slip stitch, chain 1 and cut the yarn. But I really like this method because you can see where the row started. So every time I remember, I try to join this way. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you like this video and thank you so much for watching.